Right, Jack, well, you've been consistently in the high 60s when it comes to paper one. Let's see if you can do the same again this time. Right, you've just had a little lapse there because there's no way it's going to be 8,600 because the number is 8,736. So it's either going to be 8,700 or 8,800, and it's nearer to 8,700, and that's good. So 8 out of 9 there. That's right. Two mistakes here. First of all, you haven't taken the pound left over, so it should be 14 divided by 10, and even then 15 divided by 10 isn't 5. So you've blown that one. 25%, the rest of that is right though, so 4 there, 6, 14 for the page. That's good. Cone, octagon, it's not a prism, it's a pyramid. Diameter and tangent are right, and that one is known as a chord. So we've got 4, 8 for that page. That's correct. This one's wrong because the diagonals aren't lines of symmetry because of those little 2 arrow lines there. So that's correct. Now here you have worked out it's not 100 times 60 because this side is 12. So what you're doing is 10 times 12 is 120. Take away 60. But the method is good, your units are good. So you just lose a mark. So that should be 120, the way that you've done it. Right. 6 for the page. So packed lunch, £4. Tickets, £900. Buses, £300. £900 divided by 100 is 9. 300 divided by 100 is 3. So the mistake that you've made is that you should be doing 9, add 3, add 4. Your written communication is worth a mark. You're telling me what you're doing there, but you're not explaining what this is telling you here. So what you should be saying is cost of the coach for cost of a ticket, sorry for that one, for each person is going to be that divided by that. So you're going to get your method mark, but you're not going to get your answer mark. That's wrong, because if you're at -3 and you're going up 2, it's getting warmer, you're going to end up at -1. So for that to be true, you need to be at -7. 3, 6 for the page. Okay, so your line is good, but this is wrong because you've gone up at 40 miles per gallon, but you need to be going at 40 kilometers. 40 doesn't fit on the graph, but 20 does. So you've got to go up to 20, across and down, and then double that answer. Right, so the 160 is right. The possible winners aren't 7. You've got a probability of winning of 7 out of 16, and you then have to multiply that by 320. 48 is correct. Well, first of all, you have to take that away from 180 to give you that in there. Then you add those up to to give you the total of the three angles and take it away from 360 to get that. So 5 for the page. Okay, these ones aren't right. Watch how I explain it on a video clip. Hopefully it'll make sense to you. 6,400 is good, 2,000 negative correlation, 3,000 and a nice line. Good. 5, 7 for the page. This is not an equation. That's good. 2x to the 5, no, that should be 2x to the 4. That one's wrong. 12x is right though. X equals 30 is correct, and that's correct as well. Well done. 28 tables is not right. So you've done 164 divided by 6. Which is almost right. What you've forgotten to do is to take the two end chairs off. So what it should have been is 164, take away 2 divided by 6. So you get 1 mark for you starting to develop the right thing there. So 3, 5, 7, 8 for the page. It isn't 4 out of 12. And again, the best thing to do there is watch how I explain it on the video. But that is right, so well done for that. Okay. So let's see, Jack, how you've done. 14, 22, 28, 34, 38, 38, 43, 50, 58, 62. So you're in the 60s again. Back in November 2012, that may just have been good enough to get you a grade C, but it's really close to the borderline. I'm saying that's a grade D. I'm saying you're only 3 marks off a C. And when you go and look in there, you'll easily find those 3 marks.